Hello and welcome. SAVILAND has sent me this SSPROTIPX kit to review, and this comes with pretty much everything that you need to do your full cover tips. Here is what you get inside. It comes with a little bag of alcohol pads, a 100/180 file, and some sticky tabs if you want to use the tips like regular press-ons. It also comes with this tip fast spray remover. I didn't use it, but you'd spray it on your tips and they kind of come off easy. Of course, you get the glue, the gel glue, and it's a nice consistency. It's thick and it stays in place. And it comes with the Builder nail gel. You get the top coat, and I forgot to show you the consistency of the Builder gel. This one is very thick, like very, very thick. You can see, but it has to be because that is what adds the strength to your tips. And here is the top coat. Now, my brush on the top coat was a little wonky. I guess it was just a manufacturing error, but that's okay. Sometimes that happens. But it's a nice consistency. It's not too runny. I actually really like this top coat. It's very, very shiny. They also include an acid-free primer. And of course the instructions. It's got pictures, everything that you need to get started. And it comes with this solid extend gel. This stuff is very, very thick. It's almost like clay, like a clay consistency. It's very thick, so you could technically roll it around in your hands, but with a glove. I wouldn't touch this stuff barehanded. But you can see here, the consistency is very, very thick. It would also be really good for attaching very chunky charms. It comes with this little LED nail lamp, and it is a 16-watt lamp, which is really cool. Personally, I just use these mini lamps to flash cure my tips. I don't use them to do a full cure, just because the wattage on them isn't strong enough in my opinion, and you don't want to deal with any kind of uncured gel, so you definitely would need a full-size lamp. This little one is nice though. It has 3 bulbs on it. It is just powered by a micro USB, and they do include a cable. I would say it's like a short length for a cable. It's not really, really long, so you do need to have your power source close to you to plug it in. But you just press a little button and it comes on. Of course, it includes the full cover tips as well. These are the SSPROTIPX 4.0 tips. These are very short. Personally, they're a little bit too short for my taste, but sometimes you do just need to have a cute short set. And I like the size options on these tips. I struggle finding thumb sizes sometimes because my thumbnails are very wide, so it was pretty cool to see that the biggest size actually fit my thumb. They are very, very short though, so if you have longer nail beds, or if you like to have your natural nail a little bit longer, I would definitely suggest getting a longer tip, because I'll show you closer to the end. You'll get to see just how short these are and how close they are to my natural nail. My natural nails right now, they are cut and filed as short as possible too, so the thumb, you'll see it's pretty much like if it was just like a half of a centimeter, my natural nail would like poke through. So I'm just taking the glue gel from the bottle. And I'm going to go ahead and place it on. I will say I did like this glue gel. It stayed in place, unlike a lot of glue gels. Some of them you can't really let go of the tip, but this was a good consistency, so I was able to kind of clean it up and fix it without the tip moving, which was really cool. I like that. So I just made sure to clean up whatever squeezed out. And I'm just using a little bit of rubbing alcohol. You can use acetone as well, but I would be very, very careful because with these kinds of tips, you can very easily remove the French design. So after I have it in place, I just go ahead and flash cure it. And I do this for the rest of the nails, of course. After I have them all on and flash cured, I do a full cure in my lamp for 120 seconds because that is what the instructions say. Usually I do 60, but if the instructions say 120, then that's what I do, just to make sure that all of the gel is fully cured. I did try to use the solid nail glue. Maybe I just don't know how to use it. I don't think I put enough in the tip, but I just didn't I didn't really like this method with this gel, the thick gel. Maybe if I could figure it out and play with it a little bit more, but I did not add enough and it didn't look good and it was just not gonna work out, so I switched back to the glue gel in the bottle. But I don't think that's anything wrong with the product. I think it's just me. I didn't add enough in the tip. But it was really easy to wipe away. And the inside of these tips are matte, so you don't necessarily have to prep them or etch them or anything. You can if you want to. Of course, I also forgot to mention, I do have 2 coats of Jello Peel Off base. So if you were going to do these and you wanted them to last, you would prep your nails. Your normal prep would be buffing your nail, doing your cuticles, pushing them back, and using a dehydrator, and you would use the primer that is included in this kit. And then your nails would last more than a week. They would last at least 2 or 3 weeks. But I personally like to do my nails every weekend, so I like to do a peel off base coat. I really do like this glue gel though. It's nice to be able to just kind of place it and not have to worry about it moving around. It did kind of squeeze out on the, like underneath the tip, but I cleaned it up and that's okay. Now I'm just taking a 100-180 file and I am filing away the little bit that was attaching the nail to the like plastic piece it was on. And I'm just fixing up the sides as well. And I'm being very careful, making sure that I'm not accidentally filing away the French design because you can do that very, very easily. So unless you just want to file it off, which that defeats the purpose because they're just supposed to be a, you know, put them on and go kind of thing. But I guess if you wanted to, it's just kind of painted on, so just go for it, I guess. And then I just go through like the cuticle area just with the same file, and I'm using the 180 side, and I'm just making sure that there's no gel, and I'm just trying to make sure that it's kind of flat and flush. Again, avoiding the French part. Everything gets wiped away. And I'm going to go in with the builder gel. You have to do this to add strength to the tips. And to protect the French design, you have to cap the ends as well, just because it can kind of chip off. I do go ahead and paint over these for this video, but if you were going to just do them and keep them plain like this, you have to cap the ends with your builder gel and your top coat. And this builder gel is quite thick, but it is really easy to apply. And I just did one layer. Now you absolutely could just leave these plain and top coat them after the builder gel and be done. If that's what you'd like to do, go for it. But for me, I wanted to do a Christmas design, so I'm just taking some colors from Beetles. These are from one of their Christmas collections. I will have that linked below. It will be an affiliate link, so I would gain a small commission if you decide to purchase from that link. I would really appreciate it. If not, that's fine. No worries about that. So all I'm doing is taking a tiny liner brush, just a short one, and I am going in with the base color first, which is just the red for this one. And I'm only going to do red on the ring finger. And I just wanted something really simple. And I thought this would be cute, and it was really easy because you already have the French design there, so you can kind of just follow it. So it was really easy. It was really quick too. These only took me an hour to do, which is really cool, really quick. I like that. I like quick. So the glitter polishes that I originally got out were not like thick enough with glitter, so I do just take this little Christmas glitter mix that I got from Shein, and I'm mixing them all together. I'm mixing the green together and then the red together, and it's going over the colors just to add some extra sparkle. I do have a Shein code and a Shein link down below too, with the glitters, and everything else that I like from Shein will be on that list too. So if there's anything that you see that you would want to look at or try, there will be a link for that. I also have a 20% off code for the SAVILAND website. So if you wanted to try any of their products, you would get 20% off of your order. The coupon code is FloralCat20. I'll put it down below and also on the screen somewhere. And to keep it simple, I'm just going to go in with some holly stickers. Stickers are my best friend. I love stickers. If I can use stickers, I'm going to use stickers. Because really, who has time for all that painting? So how are you doing? Hope you're doing well. Are you ready for the holidays? I am. It's already almost here. Crazy. Everything is already behind and slow with shipping and mail and all that. Sometimes it's so slow, but that's, I get it. It's a very busy time of year. Do you have all of your shopping done? You have any more shopping to do? I know some people like to wait for the last minute, but that's just too chaotic for me. I don't think I could do that. I want to have everything like ready to go. That way I don't have to stress about anything. So now I'm just going in with the top coat. And although my brush was a little wonky, it actually applied very nice. I really, really like this top coat actually. It's very shiny, has a very nice glossy finish, and it's a really good consistency. So I do like the top coat. Ta-da! Quick, easy Christmas nails, yay! These were actually really quick to use. I really liked using them. They're a little bit short for my taste. I personally wouldn't go out of my way to choose this length. You can see just how short they are. So if you have longer nail beds, definitely get a longer size. But overall, it was a really cool kit, really good kit. Came with a lot of stuff. Feel free to subscribe if you like nail videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.